guys, I just made a house. It was so tired. It looks so ugly. Look at it. So, first of all, this will be too big to make into a house. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it in half. So we're gonna take this corner and then we're going to fold it like a triangle. Just like you're doing origami. You're gonna fold it like this. So we are gonna fold it like this. Like this. You fold it upward so that you have a line. You're gonna cut it again. Carefully. You did it. Now we have a square. See? Beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it into 3 1/3s. We're gonna fold it like this. Yes. Since we have 3 1/3s like this, 1 2 3, we're gonna do it on the other side. Like this. Now we have 9 squares. We are going to fold a teensy little bit. There. This is the diagonal. Perfect. And we're gonna also do something on the other side, like that. So, something like this. This is okay. Okay. So now we have these two. It's like a book. So now what we're gonna do, since we have these two edges, we're gonna fold them like this. Flatten it, and we're gonna fold it like this, like that. And since we have this gap, we're gonna fold it like making a square. So we're gonna fold it like this all the way to the edge, and then do the same on the other side of the same square. Make sure that it is like 4 squared, 4 squared, like 1 2 3 4. Like you can. I mean triangles, 4 triangles, like so, like this. So if you guys can see it, if you can't, there's actually supposed to be 4 triangles. 4 triangles. And then do the same with the other side, and then the same thing for the same side like you did for the other side. There should be 4 triangles again. So right after we did the triangles, we're gonna fold it like this, and then we're also gonna do the same thing on the other side, the same size. Okay, so that's what we got. We folded it. We're gonna open it like this, and you're gonna take this. You're gonna fold it like this, and then like this, and then hold these two, and then push it up so that it will look like this. It will look like a bed of some sort. Like this. And then the inside will look like fold so that it folds it in place. There you go. Okay, so now that we're done with this, do the other side. We're gonna do the same thing and fold it up and fold it down. And then we have the base of the house! Yay! I did it! Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so tiny. You want to glue the ends. Like, if you fold it like this, you might want to glue it because it comes off. Okay, so I've decided to make yellow roofs instead of blue because I wanted it to be different. It's basically just like a base of the house, but you'll see what's the difference. Like this, and then this, and then we're done with that. Fold it into another 3, like this, and like this. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it. You don't do the little things again, so you just continue on with the folding. You don't fold the little things. So yeah, as well. This usually makes my life easier. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so now we're gonna open the entire thing except for this one. We're gonna keep that closed. So you're gonna fold like this, but instead you're gonna bend this so that it looks like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the excess so that you see a triangle clearly. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna do the same thing and then fold. So now we have a roof. And then we're gonna get one of our bodies. We're gonna stack it up like that. So now we're gonna put it on our diorama.